Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is question number 3, 2013. Let's read the question first. A sequence of m p's and n q's with m greater than n is called non-predictive if there is some point in the sequence where the number of q's counted from the left is greater than or equal to the numbers of p's counted from the left. For example, if m equals to 5 and n equals to 2, the sequence P, P, Q, Q, P, P, P is non-predictive because in counting the first 4 letters from the left, the number of Q's is equal to the number of P's. Also, the sequence P, Q, Q, P, 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 Q, P, P is non-predictive because in counting the first letter from the left, the numbers of Q's is greater than the number of P's. Okay, did you get the definition of non-predictable? Yeah. For example, I'm a gambler and I see and I'll bet every time get a P. For instance, I'll gamble P and I win, and then Q I lose, and I get another Q I lose. So I think this is non-predictive because I cannot predict it. Okay, so I bet P I win, P I win, Q I lose, but I still win, and P I win. Yeah, that is predictive. So because I will always win. Like this, Q I lose, P I win, but it's useless because I lose in the first hand. Okay, so there must be more p's from the left, always more p's, more p's than q's from the left. That is a predictive. Non-predictive, that means q's from the left is greater or equal to the number of p's counted from the left. Okay, so let's see if m equals to 7 and n is equal to 2, determine the number of non-predictive sequences that begin with P. So begin with P, this one P, and since n equals to 2, so if I have 3P, I begin with 3P, so it won't be non-predictive because no matter QQ is less than 3P from the left. So there are only 1P and 2P, like begin with PQ and begin with PPQ. There are 2 cases, begin with PQ or begin with PPQ. We discuss about the first case, begin with PQ. Okay, so begin with PQ, there are 7 positions, remaining positions after this Q. There are 7 remaining positions after this Q. The second Q can be in position 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is position 1, this is position 2. And the remaining 7 positions, Q can in any of it. because PQ is already a non-predictive sequence. So it's 7 possibilities there. And let's see PPQ. PPQ, if followed by a P, yeah, there are 3 P's already. So it won't be a non-predictive sequence. So it must followed by this Q. So there's 5 numbers left. They are all P. So it's 1 possibility. And for this one, it's already counted. PQ, PQ. Yes, it's a non-predictive sequence, but it's already counted in the case 1. Already counted in the case 1. See? So the number of non-predictive sequences is 7. Here's 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1 equals to 8. So it's 8. Okay, let's see part B. Suppose that n equals 2. Show that for every m greater than 2, the number of non-predictive sequences that begin with P is equal to the number of non-predictive sequences that begin with Q. Okay, so we talk about begin with P, begin with PQ. Yeah, the sequences has m plus 2. Yeah, the whole sequence is m plus 2 positions minus 2 PQ minus 2. So there are m positions left. So that is m. Yeah, since Q can be in any position in the remaining positions, so there are m positions left. So begin with PPQ, there are only 1 possible, only PPQQ. So it's 1. So PQ plus PPQ, case 1 plus case 2 is m plus 1, is m plus 1. Okay, let's discuss about begin with Q. Begin with Q, it's already a non-predictive sequence because counting the first letter from the left, the number of Q's is greater than the number of P's. Okay, so the sequence has m plus 2 minus 1 because begin with Q. So this is position 1. So minus 1, there are m plus 1 remaining positions. There are m plus 1 remaining positions. So the second Q can be in any position, That is m plus 1 possibilities. Okay, so the case 1 begin with P, there are m plus 1 possibilities. Case 2 begin with Q is m plus 1, that is to say. Is equal to the number of non-predictive sequences that begin with Q. Okay, let's see part C. Determine the number of non-predictive sequences with m is equal to 10 and n is equal to 3. Okay, so we first start with Q. Yeah, start with Q, and there are 10, 3, so it's 12 positions remain, and the left 2 Q's, the second Q can be in any of these 12 positions here or here, 12 positions, and the third Q can be in 11 positions. There are 12 multiply 11, but since, for example, this Q in position 2, this is position 1, Q in position 2, and Q in position 30. this is the second queue, this is third queue. But if position 2, position 30, this is position 1, and if second queue is position 30 and third queue is position 2, it's exactly the same. So that means 12 multiply 11. We counted every possibility twice. So we need to divide 2. So that is 66. Okay, so begin with Q is 66. Okay, let's similarly we discuss about PQ. Begin with PQ. Begin with PQ. It's a non-predictive sequence. So there are 11, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 13. Yeah, it's 11. There are 11 positions remaining. So Q can be here, can be here. So it's for the second queue, it's 11 positions. For the third queue, it's 10 positions, and we count it twice. That's we have to divide it by 2, so it's 55. Okay, so begin with PQ. There are 55 sequences. Okay, let's begin with PPQQ. PPQQ. Okay, there are. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 5, 13. 13 minus 4 is 9 positions. There are 9 positions. There are 9 positions, and the Q can be in any of these positions. So there are 9 possibilities. Okay, so let's discuss it with PPPQQQ. PPPQQQ, there are only one possibility because the remaining are all P's, and we begin with PPQP, and for Q to catch up, we must have Q in the 5th position and another Q in the 6th position. So this would be one possibility. Okay, so if we have 4 P's, yeah, since Q is 3, so that won't be non-predictive anymore. So I think we've already discussed every possibilities. Yeah. If this one changes to Q, this is this one. If this one changes to P, it becomes case 4. So it's the only possibility. Okay, so we sum it up. There are 5 cases: case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4, case 5. 66 plus 55 plus 9 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 132. Okay, we are done here. Thank you very much for watching. Persistence is most valuable. See you. Bye bye.